Welcome to EuP Egypt, a proud member of EuP Group, the world's largest filler master batch manufacturer. With 7 factories worldwide and a total capacity of 800,000 tons annually, EuP Group stands as a global leader in production capabilities. With over 17 years of expertise, we bring to Egypt 2 main products, PE and PP Filler Master Batch, designed to reduce production costs while maintaining superior quality. PE Filler Master Batch, made of calcium carbonate powder from Egyptian limestone, polyethylene resin, and additives, ideal for blown film, extrusion, and injection molding. PP Filler Master Batch, a blend of calcium carbonate, PP resin, and additives, perfect for applications like raffia, non-woven fabric, injection molding, and thermoforming. With 24 production lines powered by German technology in Sadat City, we ensure a stable supply, producing 120,000 tons annually. Our domestic sales team, deeply rooted in the Egyptian market, provides tailored solutions to meet your needs. Exporting to over 95 countries and trademark protected in 50 nations, our products are globally recognized by trusted international standards such as ISO, ROHS, REACH, FDA. Partner with EuP Egypt today, the world-leading filler master batch manufacturer.